Talon-sleep. So I haven't implemented the seek backward one frame or seek forward one frame yet. Time to do that. Talon-wake. Focus sublime. Say next frame, colon, space, word key, paren. Focus Firefox. Focus Sublime. Say comma. Go right. Enter. Say last frame, colon, space. Say key. Say paren. Go right. Go left. Go left. Backspace. Delete. Delete. Go right. Focus Firefox. Focus Sublime. Space. Delete. Period. Control Sun. Talon-sleep. Alright, let's test to see if that works. Talon-wake. Focus Firefox. Tab New. Say YouTube. Enter. Touch. Pause. Next frame. Last frame. Last frame 20th. Seek backward. Doesn't work on ads. Wait a minute. Insert. Escape. Sit. Seek backwards. Seek forward. Yeah. Doesn't quite work with ads. Play. Pause. Pause. Escape. Touch. Play. Pause. Touch. Sit. Touch. Touch. Play. Pause. So yeah, it does depend on what your circumstances are. Because if that little row thing is highlighted, the spacebar does not turn on and off the play. Well, it turns it on, but doesn't stop it. Pause. 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 fine. Next frame. Last frame. Next frame 20th. Last frame. Last frame 20th. Last frame 20th. So the frame by frame stuff is working.